Did you know that you have about 5 to 7 seconds to make a favorable impression to your website visitors as soon as they land on your homepage? Sometimes it's even less than that. Hi, Susan Friesen here from eVision Media, and today's Quick Tip Business Edge show is all about your website's main headline. On average, the website surfer looks at about 25 websites in a period of 3 to 4 minutes when they are on the hunt for something specific. So your job as a website owner is to captivate that audience and make them stick on that page and not bounce off to someone else's website in their searches. So yes, this means you have 5 to 7 seconds to compel them to stick around. Now, one way to do this is to put a lot of thought and strategy into the main headline that sits at the top of your homepage on your website. You want to make the biggest impact with those valuable, precious seconds. Because with a compelling headline on your website homepage, you have the potential to increase conversions by up to 40%. Visitors need to know they have landed in the right place at the right time. And welcoming them to your website is not going to do that. So that's the first thing I want to tell you, is to avoid saying, "Welcome to my website." That is not going to get those conversions that you need. What you do want to do is do a little bit of SEO research. Make sure that your headlines contain some SEO keywords. And that's because if they're coming to you from Google, that means they are using keywords in Google in order to find you. So you want to make sure that you are using keywords that your target market is actually going to be typing in those search engines to find what it is that you're offering. There needs to be a correlation between what they typed in, what they're looking for, and what they found on your website. And this is even more especially true if you use Google AdWords. If they click on an ad, there has to be that correlation between the ad and the headline that they're reading on your website to reassure them that they have landed in the right place, that they are where they need to be. So your headline also needs to be kept succinct. Only use between 6 and 12 words to capture their interest and compel them to keep reading. So those words that you use have to be descriptive and very specific adjectives. So you want to avoid using generalities like great or experienced or inexpensive, words like that. And also avoid dull words like save time. Instead, you can replace them with powerful, compelling words like seize your precious time now. Ideas like that. Use emotional triggering words as well, like that will incite excitement in the reader. And focus on you and your uniqueness. What do you bring to the table that nobody else can? What is your unique selling proposition? What are the features that are very unique to you that you can showcase in that headline? Bring about the biggest benefits that you can promise so that people get really excited and inspired by reading that headline. You can also focus on the issues or the problems that your ideal target market is facing and how you can help resolve those. You really want your headline to be speaking to them, using their language, using the words and phrases that is going on in their head, so that they know that you get them. You understand where they're coming from, you understand what they're looking for, and you understand how you can help them with that particular problem, challenge, or issue that they're facing. But don't oversell. Make sure that you are actually promising something that you can fulfill. Don't be elaborate and so much over the top that they don't believe you. And if you can, try to even paint a picture. Make that headline something that will stick and have more of an impact on the reader. And don't be afraid to test and tweak. Try different variables. Test it out. See if that's going to help you with your conversions. Try one, try another. Keep an eye on your analytics. Check that bounce rate. How quickly are people leaving the homepage after they've landed on it? And see what works best. You can even set up an A/B test and pitch pit one page against another and see which is performing the better. At the end of the day, that headline needs to make a powerful enough of an impact on the visitors coming to your website. It needs to speak to them, to say to them, yes, I found the right place. You want them to stick around, and ultimately you want them to convert either into your lead generation funnel or make a purchase or sign up for a consultation. Whatever that call to action is, that's the sweet spot. That's what you want that headline to do, to lead them in that direction. So does your website have a compelling enough headline that draws in the visitors, speaks to them, and makes them think that they've landed in the right place? And if not, give us a call, because that's how we can help you here at eVision Media and write the copy that will make those headlines impactful and get those conversions that you're looking for. So that's it for today's Quick Tip Business Edge Show. I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.